Ka Office Deputy Commissioner Election Branch West Jaintia Hills, but Office Subdivisional Officer Election Amnaram Subdivision Haka Arpulai Trekala Lincoln Kilaraki 16th National Voters Day Halor Kapang My India My Vote Citizen at the Heart of Indian Democracy. Hajwa ya kajingalang lapulong haplau ka Office Deputy Commissioner Election Branch katba ha amnaram lapulong ha Conference Hall SDO Civil amnaram. Ha kani ka program la samru ek voter ID card shek nongthep vote ki brang shupendrung kerteng thymmai ki nongthep vote ki bathmai ki balapendrung kerteng ha ki Southly constituency jong ka district light no ka amnaram ki long sawajar arspa life kandaingun. Hapo one nartyang constituency baro kinong the vote thymmai kilong 6000 spa arpulaingun na kini sanspa nyofu arngot kide ki shinrang but sanspa sanpu ngot kide ki kinthai. Hapo katu juai constituency lapundrong kerteng thymmai hadu kendai spa nyofu ngun na kini sauspa proper prangot kide ki shinrang but sauspa proper arngot kide ki kinthai. Hatri Ralyang constituency Baro kidan 6000 khan reungot kinong the vote thymmai na kini sanspa arpu sangot ki shinrang ba sauspa khandai pu arngot ki kinthai. Kat baha fo mokayao constituency baro kinong the vote thymmai kilong 6000 spa lai phongon na kini sanspa sapu ngot ki shinrang ba sanspa prop dai ngot ki kinthai. Ha ba khen lang bat ki bapendrong kerteng thymmai kajing donjung kinong the vote baro hakaleng ki Southly ki constituency menta klapoi shakashilak nyopun riu hajar spa khat saungon kinong the vote kanthuk prab saw hajar nyospa saw prangot ki shinrang bat khandai phuwe hajar lai spa ripun ringot ki kinthai.
25th January is marked as the foundation day of the Election Commission. It was founded in the year 1950. That is on 25th January 1950. So that's what they mark this day as a day for the voters. Okay? A day, giving a day for the voters of this country. So that's what it is, came to know as the National Voters Day. So for your information, the first National Voters Day was, celebrated in the year 2011. Okay? So from the year 2011 till date, we are celebrating National Voters Day across India on 25th January to mark the foundation day of the Election Commission. And also, a very, very important aim of the National Voters Day is to address the declining interest of the youth in the electoral process. The commission, they saw that many youth do not take part in the process, in the electoral process, thinking that election it's meant for the elders. Election it's meant for the the people who have worked, start working, all those. But then actually the youth are the most important, okay? Because if you look at the numbers of the youth in the country, it's a huge number. So if we miss them, imagine what would happen to the election process. We will miss a large number. So that's what, seeing the declining interest of the youth in the electoral process, the Election Commission took this as take this day as a voters' day, okay, to celebrate this, to create awareness, to make the people aware, especially the youth, okay, to make them feel responsible in taking part in the electoral process of the country. So, by dedicating this day to the voters, the government also aimed at, to foster a sense of civic duty and pride in participating in the world's largest democracy. So this is the aim of the government in keeping this day, in dedicating a day to the voters.
As we celebrate this National Voters' Day on this particular day, we remember that India is the world's largest democracy, relies hugely on this participation of its voters. And we celebrate this National Voters' Day under the Election Commission of India, which is a constitutional body established in 1950, and this ensures that we carry out free, fair, and transparent elections. So on this day, on this occasion of National Voters' Day, the strength of our democracy as the world's largest democracy does not lie not just in the institutions, in offices, but in the role of each voter. And therefore, I want to encourage all of you, all the members here present today, to take part not just as a voter, but also to motivate others to ensure active participation in elections. And at the same time, we are also conducting the SIR, Special Intensive Revision, which is being carried out across other states. And as and when the Election Commission of India declares the SIR to be conducted for our state Meghalaya as well, we'll be carrying out actively the process of Special Intensive Revision. And therefore, I also look forward to all your participation in the upcoming processes for carrying out free, transparent, and fair, transparent election process towards a democratic institution. Therefore, I would like to extend, in conclusion, I want to extend my heartfelt wishes. Happy National Voters' Day. Thank you.